Hello, welcome to Dr. Kayhan Health Show. I am Senem Ulusoy and presenter of this program. We have three parts now in this program again, and first part we are going to talk about preventive medicine and smoking. In second part, what is the function of lymph nodes in our body? And of course the last part, healthy foods. We are going to talk about watermelon and banana today. Welcome Dr. Kayhan.
Hi.
First of all, what is preventive medicine?
In the early part of 19th century, the efforts of preventive medicine were focused on the predominant cause of illness and the death at the time, infectious disease. In Western countries, governmental provisions to control the spread of disease with modern water and sewage systems complemented the success of the medical profession in the developing science of immunization. These programs, combined with improved nutrition, better medical care, and other factors, to make death from infectious disease an uncommon event by 1980. Preventive medicine is based on epidemiologic studies that have identified risk factors for these conditions. Many of these risk factors are aspects of individually chosen lifestyles, such as cigarette smoking, substance abuse, unhealthy eating, exercising habits.
What do you think about tobacco and health?
Cigarette smoking is the largest preventable public health problem in the world. It's the main cause of lung cancer. The risks associated with tobacco smoking appear to be closely related to the amount of smoke inhaled. Smokers who have used only pipes or cigars tend not to inhale, and therefore the majority of the health risks are correlated with cigarette consumption.
What is the reason of cigarette smoking risks? Increasing the risks.
According with, firstly, it affects a lot of systems. First, we talk about cardiovascular system, coronary artery disease, peripheral vascular disease, aortic aneurysm, and stroke, myocardial infarction, as usual. According with cancer, lung, larynx, oral cavity, esophagus, bladder, kidney, pancreas, and the last years also liver cancer easily affected from smoking. According with lung disorders, cancer, chronic bronchitis with airflow destruction, and emphysema. According with pregnancy, small infants for gestational age, higher perinatal mortality for babes, placenta previa or abruptio placenta. They are both very dangerous for the survival of babe and mother. According with gastrointestinal complications, peptic ulcer, gastroesophageal reflux diseases.
What is the reason of cigarette smoking dangerous?
Tobacco smoking is a complex mixture of some 4,000 individual constituents. The smoke is a combination of pyrolysis and distillation products distributed between a particulate phase and the gas phase. The gas phase of the smoke has a number of irritating and cellulosic agents as well as high levels of carbon monoxide.
Which factors are increasing the risks of smoking?
The risks due to cigarette smoking vary with differences in individual smoking habits and with the presence of other risk factors. The risk increases with increasing number of cigarettes smoked per day, depth of the inhalation, and duration of the smoking habit. The risk also increases with the younger age at which regular smoking is begun.
Is a lifestyle or environment adding any extra risks for smoking?
The risks incurred by cigarette smoking in someone with elevated blood pressure or high levels of asbestos exposure are much larger than the risk for smokers without those characteristics. In addition, the presence of smoking induced disease in one organ system, example chronic obstructive lung disease, may alter the ability to treat or survive a second process, for example, in the future lung cancer.
Okay, which organs are mostly affecting from smoking?
First, the cardiovascular system, cardiac and vascular system, coronary artery disease, peripheral vascular disease, aortic aneurysm, stroke, and some organs, lung, larynx, oral cavity, esophagus, bladder, kidney, pancreas, and liver cancers, and lung disorders, cancer or chronic bronchitis with airflow obstruction, emphysema, complications of also pregnancies, maternal complications. They are two important: placenta previa, abruptio placenta, and infants, small for gestational age, higher perinatal mortality. According to gastrointestinal complications, ulcer, gastroesophageal reflux disease, and other, the last, altered drug metabolism. Approximately 85% of mortality due to the lung cancer is causally attributed to cigarette smoking and is therefore potentially preventable.
What are you thinking about involuntary smoking? Is it a fake?
It is not a fake, it's the real absorption of smoke constituents from the environment has been documented in both infants and adults, and also there's a another of epidemiologic studies have demonstrated health effects in human. Involuntary smoking can cause lung cancer in non-smokers. The majority of non-smokers express annoyance and experience eye and respiratory tract irritation on exposure to smoke. Non-smokers with long-term exposure to environmental tobacco smoke may develop changes in the small airways of the lung.
Okay, what do you think about smoking behavior in women?
Regular cigarette smoking begins almost exclusively during adolescence. 90% of smokers begin before age 20. We can ask ourselves, why is this percentage is bigger? There's a lot of reasons. Some of them physiology of adolescence, confidence feeling, all tobacco advertising. Addiction to the cigarettes depends on nicotine. The responsibility of the physician is not to get all patients to quit on a single visit, but to move each smoking patient closer to cessation on each visit. The use of nicotine gum increases the chance of successful short-term cessation when utilized within appropriate behavior of intervention program.
Okay, now next part, lymph nodes. According to the immune system, lymph nodes are really important for us?
They are really important for us because they are the prisoners. It's a prison, or they are the prisoner guard to protect from the enemies our body. Lymph node is divided anatomically, structurally in three primary areas: cortex, paracortex, and medulla. These areas are physically and functionally interlaced and surrounded by a series of sinuses. The cortex is important for B cell. They are producing antibody lymphocyte, such as they are trying to protect us from viruses. There are two drainage systems in lymph nodes, afferent and afferent. Afferent lymphatic drainage carrying antigens and microorganisms flows into the immediate contact with the lymphocytes. Such immune stimulation results in enlargement of lymphoid follicles. Paracortex lies between the cortex and medulla and is the primary site of localization of the T cells. The medulla of the lymph node is made up of a tortuous network of endothelial cells. Line these sinuses. Antigens are effectively trapped through the node. It behaves like a prison. There's an important guard. In this prison, whose name is macrophage. This prison is blocked to invasion of all different antigens and enemies. Also, it blocks malign cells too.
Nice. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of watermelon first. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Some of us, watermelon is only an enjoyable fruit, but in the reality, it's very nutritious and is loaded with nutrients that add value to the general health of man and lifestyle. First of all, helps in better digestion. Watermelon contains much quantity of water and rich fiber that contribute to the better digestion and enhancement of the bowel movement. Fiber is majorly carbohydrate that contains easily digested plant compounds that pass easily and smoothly through the stomach and intestine, thereby helping food to digest very well. Taking enough quantity of watermelon on daily basis helps to prevent constipation, which is gastrointestinal problem that causes the stool to become hard and dry. The second one is supplies the body with enough quantity of water. Due to the quantity of water contained in watermelon, it supplies the body with a good amount of water that helps in body hydration. Taking a good quantity of water is a very healthy and natural therapy that helps to prevent a low or abnormal level of fluid in the body, known as the fluid imbalance. Just as water does, watermelon is just an equivalent because it's a fruit with high water content. A scientific estimate shows that 92% of this fruit is water, which makes it good in preventing the risk of fluid imbalance and electrolyte disorder. The third one prevents scurvy. It's a good source of vitamin C. A severe lack of this vitamin in the human body can lead to serious health condition known as scurvy. The fourth one improves man's sexual health. Watermelon is considered one of the libido boosters because it's a source of citrulline, which is an amino acid that enhances blood flow in the sexual organs. The fifth one prevents age-related illnesses. This fruit is rich in vitamin B5, vitamin A, carotenoids, and antioxidants that help in preventing age-related illnesses, which are mostly associated with deteriorating eye problem. The sixth one reduces high blood pressure. Watermelon helps to reduce the abnormal increase in blood sugar, which causes high blood pressure. This is true because it contains essential mineral potassium, blood pressure lowering with vitamin C, fiber, and lycopene, which are all play an important role to heart health. Reduce muscle soreness after exercises. Watermelon contains amino acids such as lycopene and citrulline that help in the reduction of muscle soreness after exercise. The eighth one improves metabolism. Though watermelon is considered a low-calorie fruit, but helps in proper metabolic improvement. 1 cup of watermelon juice is said to contain 46 calories, but scientifically 100 grams of fruit is found to contain 30 calories, which significantly contributes in combination with oxygen to release of energy the body needs to improve metabolism. The ninth one, good for heart health. Cardiac problems are one of the major health issues in the world. Today they lead to death, which taking a good amount of watermelon per day can actually prevent. 10. Flushes out kidney stones. The antioxidants phytonutrients, and vitamins. Those are present in watermelon help to flush out kidney stones as well as preventing such disease. As we all know that drinking water very helps to cleanse the kidney and remove all radicals that cause complications in the kidney. The same way, consuming a good amount of watermelon flushes out stones and other rubbish in the kidney because it contains 92% of water, fights free radicals in the body. Watermelon intake can help to fight against the radicals, which are toxic byproducts that are known to cause damage to human tissues as well as cells. The 12th one is improves the immune system. Daily consumption of watermelon improves the immune system and leads to better health. The third one is lower insulin resistance. The intake of arginine and the juice contained in watermelon is linked with reduced insulin resistance, that is reduced glucose lowering. The 14th one, good for weight loss. High water contents fruits contribute to weight loss because of their eating them. They can keep you full for a while and actually reduce craving for food. The 15th one help to refresh the skin. Watermelon is a very healthy fruit that helps to refresh the skin, especially during the summer period due to its content of natural vitamin C and A required for sebum production to keep the skin and body moisturized. Banana.
Yes, banana. Now, banana.
Now we are talking about banana.
Very special.
It's really incredible. It's rich in fiber, first of all. Bananas are type of nutritious fruits that are rich in fiber, a lot of nutrients and antioxidants that helps in preventing the body from contracting several diseases. The second one controls blood sugar levels. The nutrients present in bananas, such as grams of carbohydrates, sugar, and vitamin B6, that helps to moderate the blood sugar levels after meals. Pectin and resistant starch help in control of blood sugar level after each meal. The third one helps in digestion. Banana is a great source of dietary fiber, low in calories and high nutrition and fiber that help in proper digestion of food in the body and serves as a laxative in the body for treating consumption. The fourth one promotes a healthy hair. Banana contains important vitamins and several antioxidants that reduce the risk of heart diseases and other diseases with deteriorative progressions. The high potassium and low sodium contained in banana helps in protecting the cardiovascular system. The fifth boosts potassium level. It helps to protecting low potassium level in the body and at the same time preventing of muscle cramps during athletics due to its content of high level of potassium. The sixth promotes healthy skin. Banana nourishes the skin and treats skin conditions such as acne and psoriasis. It's the best peeled and rubbed on the skin rather than consumption in this case. Banana treats ulcers. Bananas contain protease inhibitors that helps to eliminate stomach bacteria that cause ulcer completely, balance stomach pH, relieve pains, and boost the protective mucus layer. Banana helps in weight loss. They are also a good source of weight loss that helps in boosting the amount of energy in the body due to presence of natural sugar that balanced with soluble fiber to produce energy. The banana reduces blood pressure. Eating of banana helps to reduce blood pressure and lower the risk of cancer and asthma, but it contains amino acid, which is the end of protein. When this amino acid is taken in a large amount, it produces toxicities. Banana good for pregnancy. Banana is a great food for pregnant women due to its rich in folic acid. Folic acid adds extra blood to the body during pregnancy. Banana contained a high content of iron that aids preventing anemia in pregnancy. It also contains high fiber content that helps to fight against constipation. Banana reduces menstrual problems. Cooked banana flowers help in reducing painful and excessive bleeding during the menstrual cycle and other menstrual issues because it's rich in vitamin B6. Banana helps in hair care. Banana is an excellent food for hair moisturizing and care. It contains high moisture content for nourishing the hair. Banana is good for men. It's an excellent fruit for men because it can help to improving their fertility due to its rich in potassium and low in salt. Eating banana is beneficial to men as it increases the number of male sperm and also makes the sperm more fertile. Banana helps in reducing stress. Banana contains an amino acid known as tryptophan that is converted to serotonin in your body, which helps improving moods, reducing stress, and promoting your general outlook. Eating banana aids in fighting depression and also manages your sleep patterns. Consuming banana regularly is the easiest way you can improve your mood and relieve stress after a long day at work. The last one is prevents kidney stone. The potassium in banana helps reducing the risk of kidney stones. Avoid bananas if you are being affected by kidney diseases.
Thank you, Dr. Kayhan. This is the end of our program. See you next episode. Bye.